Hola chicas, ¿cómo están ustedes? This brings us to our last assignment of the year. I know it's really disappointing that I don't get to see you one more time in person, but mostly, as you all know, at the end of the fifth and sixth grade world language program, we typically have a really special tradition where we celebrate as a grade level all of our world languages that we've learned in the 2 year program for fifth and sixth grade. The last day of school, we head into the cafeteria and we very swiftly put together, some presentations on our respective countries that we've studied. We bring in food that represents the countries in our different languages, and we also do some dancing and some songs. So, unfortunately, obviously, we don't get to do that this year. But just to improvise, we're going to do a little assignment and then meet on a Zoom call on during community time on May 20th. So the final assignment is you're going to look at a very familiar deck of slides. You've all seen them before. And it looks like this. So there's several different countries, Spanish-speaking countries, Hispano-hablantes, Spanish speakers, represented here. And you'll just scroll through and you'll decide which one is most interesting to you. And you use the information that you find here on those slides from your one country. You choose one country and then you add it here to a slide. So this is set up so that anyone can edit this deck of slides here. And you'll just add a slide, put your name, put the name of the country you chose, and then you're going to share 5 cool facts about your country and then find some photos. So on the 20th of May, we will get together and present our findings. So thank you for doing that. I know we'll really look forward to learning from each other there. And that's all for today. But thank you so much for your excitement, hopefully, around this backup plan. And I look forward to seeing you guys on Zoom on May 20th. Adios.